Welcome back, tech lovers and gaming enthusiasts, to another exciting deep dive into the future of mobile gaming. Because today, we're talking about the upcoming RedMagic 11 Pro, a smartphone that's not just another flagship, but a full-blown portable gaming console in your pocket, powered by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Yes, you heard that right. The new RedMagic 11 Pro is officially launching on October 17th, 2025, and it's shaping up to be one of the most advanced and feature-packed gaming smartphones ever created. The hype is real, and Nubia's RedMagic brand is clearly pulling out all the stops this year to deliver something that will blow every gamer's mind. In this video, we'll uncover everything from its breathtaking design and hardware upgrades to its next-gen gaming features, exclusive partnerships, and the bold innovations that are about to redefine what mobile gaming truly means. So, let's dive right in and explore what makes the RedMagic 11 Pro a true gaming legend in the making. Starting with the design. RedMagic has always stood out from the crowd with its futuristic aesthetics and gamer-centered build, and the 11 Pro is no exception. Recently, the company shared the official design teasers, revealing a sleek and aggressive look, enhanced RGB lighting, and a transparent back design, showcasing some of the internal components, something that fans of the RedMagic 10S Pro absolutely loved. But that's not all. The biggest talking point so far is its brand new water cooling system, making it the first RedMagic device ever to feature this level of advanced thermal management. This means gamers can expect longer, smoother gameplay sessions without worrying about overheating or performance throttling. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor is the heart of this beast, a chipset built for pure performance. It's designed on the latest architecture, offering unmatched CPU and GPU speeds, improved AI processing and power efficiency. But RedMagic doesn't stop there. The 11 Pro will also feature the Red Core 4, a dedicated gaming chip designed to complement the Snapdragon powerhouse by managing haptics, audio, display, and network optimization in real time, ensuring that every touch, vibration, and frame is perfectly tuned for an immersive gaming experience. Now, here's where things get even more exciting: the Cube Power Game Engine 3.0. This is RedMagic's latest gaming optimization engine, built to enhance image quality, reduce power consumption, and maintain ultra-stable FPS during long gaming sessions. Imagine playing your favorite titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, or PUBG at 144 frames per second, all while maintaining cool temperatures and zero lag. That's the kind of seamless performance RedMagic is promising with this update. Speaking of visuals, the RedMagic 11 Pro will come with a stunning display supporting up to 144Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution, ensuring ultra-smooth motion and razor-sharp graphics. This combination makes every movement, every explosion, and every on-screen detail pop with incredible realism. While it might not be a major display upgrade compared to the RedMagic 10S Pro, the combination of higher optimization and the Cube Power Game Engine makes it a game-changer in performance. But the real surprise here is that RedMagic has confirmed that the 11 Pro will include a built-in Windows PC game emulator, just like its predecessor, allowing users to play PC titles right from their smartphone. Imagine connecting your RedMagic 11 Pro to a controller, launching a PC game, and diving straight into your favorite AAA titles without even touching your computer. That's the kind of next-level innovation RedMagic is delivering. And if you're wondering about accessories, yes, RedMagic has ensured compatibility with third-party game controllers, including popular ones like the ROG Tesla Mobile Controller, currently available on Amazon for around $73.49. Now, what makes this launch even more promising is the fact that RedMagic has partnered with several major mobile game developers to fine-tune their titles for the specific phone, ensuring that games are fully optimized to harness the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and the Red Core R4 chip. This means better graphics rendering, faster load times, and more responsive gameplay overall. And it's not just about raw power. RedMagic is also focusing on software optimization and cooling efficiency. The integration of the water cooling setup combined with the Cube engine will significantly enhance thermal performance, maintaining consistent frame rates during marathon gaming sessions. Nubia's teaser suggests that the cooling chamber will use a hybrid liquid and vapor system, making it one of the most advanced cooling designs ever seen on a smartphone. This shows how serious RedMagic is about pushing the limits of mobile gaming performance. Another aspect that's generating buzz is battery performance. While official details haven't been fully confirmed, leaks suggest that the RedMagic 11 Pro will likely feature a massive 6,000 milliamp hours battery paired with 165W fast charging, ensuring hours of uninterrupted gaming with lightning-fast recharging times. Just imagine charging your device for a few minutes and getting hours of high FPS gameplay. That's exactly what gamers need in 2025. Moreover, the software experience is expected to receive a major overhaul with RedMagic OS 9, designed to deliver faster response times, customizable game modes, and new visual effects that make gaming more immersive than ever. With this new OS, users can fine-tune every aspect of their gaming experience, from refresh rate to touch sensitivity, truly putting control in the gamer's hands. Now, when it comes to camera performance, while RedMagic is a gaming-first brand, it's still expected to deliver a strong camera setup with an upgraded sensor system, possibly featuring a 64MP main lens, an ultra-wide, and a macro option for versatility. And with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5's advanced image processing, even photography enthusiasts will find plenty to love here. All of these features together make the RedMagic 11 Pro not just a gaming device, but a technological marvel built for 2025's demanding users. The anticipation leading up to the October 17th launch event in China is massive, and it's safe to say that this event will set new benchmarks for what gaming smartphones can achieve. So, whether you're a competitive gamer, a tech enthusiast, or someone who just loves cutting-edge gadgets, the RedMagic 11 Pro is a device you'll definitely want to keep an eye on. It's not just about playing games. It's about experiencing them in a way you never have before, with performance, visuals, and features that truly push boundaries. And that's exactly what makes the RedMagic 11 Pro one of the most exciting upcoming releases of the year. So, mark your calendars for October 17th, because this is when the mobile gaming revolution officially begins. And before we wrap up, here's our recommendation. If you're planning to upgrade your gaming phone this year, hold off just a little longer. Wait for the RedMagic 11 Pro launch. Because if all these teased features turn out as expected, this phone could easily outshine every other flagship on the market, including the ROG Phone, Black Shark, and even Asus's gaming lineup. And that's why this launch matters. It's not just another phone. It's a statement of what mobile gaming is evolving into. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to channel TechVerse for more information.